today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious baked mac and cheese recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of cooked macaroni, 1½ cup of provolone cheese, 1½ cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 cups of cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1½ cup of warm milk. To the macaroni, we're going to add in the melted butter, salt, and pepper, and mix. Add in the provolone cheese, mozzarella cheese, and half of the cheddar cheese. Slowly pour in the milk and mix. Transfer this to a baking pan. Top with a layer of the remaining cheese. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our baked mac and cheese is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.